Okay, so today we're going to look at how to make a reflection journal in Google Docs so that you can share it with me. In the past I've had students make blogs, but there's been some issues with that, and even the free blog sites require so many hoops to jump through. So I'm to the point where why don't we just use what works, which in this case is going to be Google Docs. Yes, this won't be public for everyone, but really I'm the one that needs to be reading it, and it's really for you to write down your reflections. So the idea behind the reflection journal is detailed in the syllabus, and we've talked about it in class. But to create one, all you need to do is log into your MySCC, and that's where we've started here, and come down to Google Drive. And when you open Drive, you're going to see a bunch of my stuff, but essentially you're just going to say New Google Doc. And you can give it a title, My Physics Reflections, something like that. You can make it catchy if you really want. And then you can just type in your journal entries, you know, like week 1 reflections, week 1 reflections. And you can type whatever you want in there. Obviously, I'm just putting in filler, you know, a new heading, week 2 reflections as well, and this thing will just grow. Preferably, I would like you to do it in reverse order so that the newest with the date is up top, like so, and you can type whatever you want in there. So that's how I want this created. Now, once you've made that, it's there for you, but the tricky part is you have to say share, and then you're going to get the link. So you'll say change link, and you're going to say anyone with the link. Okay. And you can copy that link and email it to me. Would probably be the best way. That way you have that direct communication and confirmation that I did receive it. And what I'll do is I'll take this link and I'm going to put it in a Google Sheets document that only I have access to, so that every week I can go through everyone's and click that link. You don't have to send it to me every week. Just copy that link. I'll have it, and I'll just be able to check it. And the only thing I might say is that you're sharing restrictions. You might want to give me edit rights as well, just so that I could give you feedback right in your journal. That would be a good thing to do. So that's it.